We are the better biofuel.
Our world today has been severely damaged by the harmful effects of our blatant reliance on non-renewable fossil fuels. Although fossil fuels have long been thought of as the gold standard for industrial and business usages, we have too long overlooked its detrimental environmental and economical effects. Fossil fuels are notorious for their role in climate change, environmental and air pollution, and wildlife toxicity. In addition, they are often harder to handle, dangerous to use, and much more difficult to process. Thus, the avenue of shifting current production methods to using biofuel as an alternative is extremely promising. Biofuel has several distinct advantages over regular fossil fuels, such as being much easier to produce and use in widespread facilities, having higher safety standards, having a more favorable energy balance to release 4 times more energy in an equal volume of diesel, and developing a much cheaper price that saves money in the long run. Thus, we have identified the need for a small, compact, and efficient device that converts the billions of gallons of used cooking oil that would otherwise be thrown out by restaurants each year into a reusable form of biodiesel.
In the US alone, hotels and restaurants generate 3 billion gallons of waste cooking oil per year. Instead of sending this byproduct to the landfills or in the gutters, we plan to convert it into an eco-friendly energy source, biofuel. Although its goal is not novel, the biofuelinator stands out from the competition when it comes to the science behind it all. Waste cooking oil contains free-floating fatty acids, which can seriously reduce yield rates if a base catalyst is used during transesterification. Large factories typically overcome this problem by utilizing esterification, which is a whole separate chemical process with significant costs associated with it. Instead, the biofuelinator's use of an acid catalyst saves money to reduce the price for consumers. Our methods are backed by research from Iowa State University, shown here, and the process is simple enough to execute at home in small quantities.
The biofuelinator's physical design was also adapted to reduce its overall cost. We are drawing our backing from large-scale plants that buy cooking oil and resell it as biofuel. Currently, there are facilities that convert massive amounts of cooking oil into biofuel, and we are taking that same concept into a small-scale model. Using basic principles of design such as the force of gravity, the machine is saving costs on machinery itself and power consumption, maximizing benefits. The technology in the device retains the idea of minimalism as it uses cost-effective techniques to optimize efficiency. Together, the physical design and technology work synchronously for an autonomous system. So our plan eliminates shipping and storing of waste cooking oil, loss of profits through middlemen and unnecessary chemicals, reduces waste level pollution and geographical market limits, raises money for small businesses, community level involvement and market size, and creates an innovative subscription plan and direct control for customers.
Again, we created a product, then adapted, revised again and again, all the way until we fully understood how to offer the best experience possible to our customers. We created an ERC and then a strategy canvas to portray this in an easy to understand manner. As you can see, we offer a wide variety more than the standard market. Current biofuel producers on the market are overpriced and provide very low profits to their customers. The Biofuelinator changes that with our novel subscription plan-based payments. Rather than charging immediate high payments on the order of $7,000 or greater, we charge an initial down payment of $1,800, then $2,400 biannually. This pricing keeps it affordable for the small businesses we are looking to attract while ensuring a long-standing relationship with them. This compounding revenue model ensures that our company can only exponentially gain profits. What's more, our customers make a net profit as well, meaning we are in a mutually beneficial relationship, both from an economic and an environmental standpoint. All of this makes up our unique value proposition.
Keeping in mind the 3 tiers of non-customers, our subscription plan, inspired by similar proven concepts like that of the company Curology, begins with a focus on customer satisfaction. Although some restaurants might become a part of our loyal customer base, others might be more hesitant to work with us, so we want to make the transition as simple and straightforward as possible.
So, restaurants fill out a form and we notify them before they spend any money if we can fully meet their needs. Then we move on to the rest of the process, so the free trial and the monthly subscription boxes. We respectfully ask you to take a moment and pause these sections and the next to further explore the calculated details that allow for a feasible implementation of our product. Further, we created a cost-benefit analysis to understand how to effectively bring our product to market while accounting for considerations like the long-term market potential, that after understanding the industry, the potential for future competitors, our costs, and additional relevant factors we calculated and included in our cost-benefit analysis. And with that, we are more than glad that you chose to join us on our journey to help the very environment that we live in.
After all, we are the better biofuel.